Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us here. So today we are at the junction of Langata Road and Mbagathi Road, just to show you whatever is happening here, because Kenyan government, Kenya is really busy here, just to make sure that traffic snarl up along Langata Road and Mbagathi Way is just solved. So a T-Mall interchange is being built here. I think you can all see the roundabout where we have the T-Mall. That's where this government is really working so hard maybe to solve that traffic that's always there. So if you are a regular customer of this road, you will agree with me that traffic snarl up has been here for the longest time, and today you can see whatever is happening here, because T-Mall interchange will just solve that. So please ensure that you like this video, then make sure that you subscribe. And today,
Ogera Moses, the cameraman. So make sure you subscribe and watch to the end, and you can leave your comments so that we get to know what do you think, and maybe which next project do you want us to feature in the next video. Thank you so much.
Thank you.